What's the meaning of adulteress? Adulteress. 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 An adulteress refers to a woman who engages in sexual relations with someone other than her spouse. The result of committing adultery can be severe and can lead to the breakdown of a marriage, the loss of trust, and emotional trauma for all involved parties. In some cultures or religions, adultery is considered a sin or a crime, punishable by law or social ostracism. It is important for individuals to prioritize honesty, communication, and mutual respect in their relationships to avoid engaging in infidelity.